So when I get asked with windows, if it's a client that's not just going to do the traditional white exterior, white interiors, we start talking about window frame colors. So one of the really cool things we can do is with the design renderings, we can show your home in high resolution with various window colors. So black's really popular, the bronze, there are almond tan colors. And so I would say that's what we do is we start with design renderings to see how you like the home with a different color frame. And then we'll talk through the pros and cons in terms of the pros are obvious, so you get the look you want, the aesthetic. And then we work through there are cost upgrades to go from a traditional white up to a colored exterior. So we talk through kind of pricing, budgeting, what your expectations are, longevity, maintenance, things of that nature. But ultimately the goal would be to make sure you're getting exactly what you want and knowing we're using a high quality product that'll give you a lot of years of performance.